Hello guys, welcome back to the Escapades. So today is an update on the road construction, the Eastern Bypass from Ruiru all the way to I think Kahawa West. So due to the road expansion from Ruiru town all the way to bypass in Thika Road, there has been a lot of demolitions on of various buildings around bypass in Thika Road. So today is the video of an update on all the demolitions that are happening currently, and I'm going to keep you up to date on the progress of this road project that is ongoing, of the making the Eastern Bypass a dual carriageway. So I hope you enjoy this video. So thank you guys. So guys, you can see these are some of the structures that are being demolished to pave way for the road out here in bypass. So I'm going to show you a few of these structures. They have been partially demolished by the owners. So as you can see from the view, Thika Highway is just a few meters from here. So this is one of the building that is partially demolished so far, as it paves way for the expansion of the highway, that is the Eastern Bypass that is coming from Ruiru. So this is the progress report. I'm going to be giving you constant updates on how the progress is going on. So guys, as you can see, there were various buildings that now have gone down. Yeah, people took it upon themselves to bring them down before the government comes and takes them down for them. You can also see here there were a few containers that have also been brought down. So Ruiru is going to expand very fast. So for anyone thinking about investing in Ruiru, please invest. So you can see the excavator is at work taking down one of the buildings. This used to be a residential house for someone, but now it has to come down to pave way for the expansion of Eastern Bypass.
Chuma na milango. Tunauza kama anapitia mbao.
So guys, that's the update on the demolitions that are going on at bypass Ruiru. and they are clearly setting way for the expansion of the highway. So over the coming few months and few weeks, I'm going to show you an update on the progress of the highway on the Ruiru side and on the bypass side and also on the Kahawa West side. So keep it locked. This is the Escapades for you. If you have not subscribed to the Escapades, please subscribe to the Escapades. Thank you guys and goodbyes from Thika Road. Until next time.